Do you love kombucha as much as I love kombucha? In fact, it doesn't matter if you love kombucha as much as I love kombucha. You should just brew kombucha anyway. So basically, this is a kombucha brewery in a box. It's got everything in it. It's so exciting. It's even got a brew Bible in there. I'm not even religious. Anyway, and then here's this. It's a bag of culture. There's a SCOBY in there, right? And that's a living culture, ready to grow, ready to multiply, ready to make you delicious, healthy beverages. And how do you make those healthy beverages? Well, in the box, there is also tea and sugar. And then you have your fermenter, shwing. This is it, ready to go. And you go, okay, I'm going to brew kombucha today. So you pull your SCOBY out of the box, you cut her open. Yoink. And as the French would say, voila. There's your SCOBY in there, tiny little bit of liquid ready to go, and then you add your sweet tea, and bingo, you've got kombucha ready to go. You're brewing, you're kicking goals, starting a business that could possibly rival the Good Brew Company for kombucha brewing success. But you've got to start somewhere, do you know what I mean? So get yourself a SCOBY, buy yourself a kombucha brewery in a box. Yoink. It's really, really clever.